Baking soda, the best weight loss remedy. Baking soda, this wonderful natural product can help you lose weight quickly and economically. Forget about those expensive treatments that promise you to lose kilos, and what you really lose is your money. You probably know that baking soda is useful for facial beauty treatments or for home cleaning. What you didn't know were its properties to keep you in shape. Sodium bicarbonate is recommended to lose weight and improve digestion, as its properties help fight heartburn, which has an effect on weight gain. Therefore, it is one of the most recommended remedies to reduce sizes. There are countless recipes for weight loss that include baking soda, but today we will focus on a very easy to prepare for you to forget about the pretexts and include it in your diet from today. What you need: 1 tablespoon of baking soda, half a lemon, a glass of warm water. The process: pour the baking soda and the juice of half of a lemon into the warm water and drink this drink on an empty stomach, 3 times a week. You will fall in love with the results. Remember to eat a balanced diet and do at least 30 minutes of exercise daily, to observe better results. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. If you want to learn more about baking soda, the best weight loss remedy, click or tap the link on the right or below this video to download my free ebook, How to Lose 10 Pounds in 10 Days.